Hi everyone, in this video let's try to fix YouTube dark mode not working on your PC. So tap your right click or you can tap that Windows button on the bottom part. Tap on it and tap for the settings. Now under settings, let's go to personalization on the left. Tap on it and tap for the colors. And there you can choose your mode. So this is from light, then we can choose dark theme. So it has been changed already from our settings. Now if we're trying to go and open our YouTube or our Google account or Google Chrome, it does not change yet. So from here, you may tap the three dots that you can see on the upper right corner of your PC and then tap on settings. And once you're in there, you can see this or you can customize your profile and make sure that this is in dark mode. And if you're done with choosing your customized profile, now once you're done here, you can go back to your YouTube account and tap for your profile or your YouTube profile, tap on appearance, and then you can change from light theme to dark theme. So it has been changed already. So that's it, your PC is in the dark mode now. If you find this helpful, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates.